Mastering the mysteries of English, the present perfect continuous tense. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English grammar. We'll be focusing on a particularly intriguing aspect, the present perfect continuous tense. This might sound like a mouthful, but trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe something that started in the past and is still going on, or was going on until very recently. It typically expresses duration or the amount of time something has been happening. The structure of the present perfect continuous tense is positive sentences, subject plus has, have been plus verb ing. Negative sentences, subject plus has, have not been plus verb ing. Questions: has, have plus subject plus been plus verb ing. For example, I have been reading this book for 2 hours. Positive: she has not been feeling well since yesterday. Negative: have you been studying for the test? Question. The present perfect continuous tense is used in several situations. 1. To express an action that began in the past and continues in the present. For instance, they have been living in London for 10 years. 2. To indicate an action that recently stopped or just finished. For example, I'm out of breath because I have been running. 3. To show cause and effect between the past action and present situation. For instance, my hands are dirty because I have been painting. Remember, the focus is on the continuity or duration of the action. A common mistake when using this tense is confusing it with the present perfect simple. Remember, the present perfect simple emphasizes the completion of an action, while the present perfect continuous emphasizes the duration or ongoing nature of the action. For example, I have read the book, Present Perfect Simple, focuses on the completion of the action. In contrast, I have been reading the book, Present Perfect Continuous, emphasizes how long you've been doing the activity. Another common mistake is forgetting the word been in the structure. Always remember, it's I have been doing, not I have doing. And there we have it, a quick but comprehensive guide to the present perfect continuous tense. I hope you found this video useful and it helps you master this important aspect of English grammar. Keep practicing, remember the rules we've discussed, and soon you'll be using this tense naturally in your conversations. Happy learning!